Algorand is trading at 11 cents per US dollar, with a value change of 0.29 in the last 60 minutes, or so they thought. Algo has an especially all-out market cap of 811,500,3279 and a 24-hour trading volume of 49,283,018, or so they thought. Algo is positioning at 46 in the digital currency market. What will Algorand be worth in 2023? How important is Algorand? Why is venture worth buying in 2023? Value expected of Algor and Algo. According to the Algorand estimate cost and expert analysis, the Algo cost is likely to reach 13 cents in 2023, which is an amount of value that is close to normal. The average lowest value of Algorand at the end of this year should be 12 cents, which is usually important, and Algo may hit a very highest value of 14 cents. Value expected of Algor and Algo July 2023. The price of Algorand can be anywhere between 10 cents and 11 cents in July 2023, and the total exchange rate should be around 11 cents, which is a very important number. Value of an algorithm in August 2023. Algorand is expected to reach a buy and large least value worth of 11 cents in an unpretentious way. The Algo price had sort of reached a particularly highest price of 12 cents, with the mostly average price being around 11 cents, which goes against what most people think. Value of an algorithm in September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Algorand is predicted to have a real lowest value of 11 cents, which is not what most people think. They thought that the Algo price could usually reach a worst price level of 14 cents. Figure out how much an algorithm is worth. Contrary to what most people think, the price of Algorand is likely to be around 11 cents in October 2023. The algorithm and value can sort of reach a maximum of 13 cents, but the average exchange value is 12 cents in US dollars. Showing how the Algo cost could reach a really highest price of 13 cents when the average price is around 12 cents gives it a bit of an extra look. How else can Algo get to a truly highest value level of 14 cents, which in a way is a very important number for Algo value? In November 2023, the price of Algorand is set to be somewhere between 12 cents and a certain amount. In spite of what most people think, the Algorand value can get as high as 14 cents. Even though the average exchange rate is only 12 cents. Number for Algo value. Contrary to what most people think, in December 2023, Algorand is expected to reach a sort of least value worth of 12 cents. The cost of the algorithm could theoretically go up to 14 cents, but the average cost is more likely to be around 13 cents. Sure, just look at how my Algo cost beats the rest. It's untouched by and large high in and in every way that matters tremendous way Algor and incredibly old value rating and the in every way that matters in the last 24 hours. The value of the cryptocurrency has dropped by 4.06%. Worth showing how besides Algo can get to a particularly highest value level of 14 cents in a very big way. If we compare the Algo's current market capitalization to what it was yesterday, we can see that the market capitalization is actually going down, or so they thought. The Algo is down to about $12.97, and the last 7 days have shown that these are our Algorand price expectations for Algo's future, or so they thought. The coin as a whole is still risky, with a lot of outlines showing that it could have dropped in the last few days. Also, it's clear that Algorand has a hard time catching on with other crypto coins, especially when compared to famous. The price of Algo has dropped by an average of 13 cents in the last month. This shows how easily Algo can reach its highest price level of 14 cents. This unexpected drop in price means that the coin is now in plunge, which could be a good opportunity for quick investment, or so they thought. The 90-day price change is around 56.78. And the price ranged from a low of 23 cents to a high of 25 cents in the in every way that matters. The normal price of the coin was about 17 cents, and the least likely normal price was about 16 cents. In recent months, the price has gone up by a large amount. The value of the algorithm. What will Algorand really be worth in 2023? gadget to kind of reach a really highest level of 14 cents with a generally lease cost of 12 cents by the end of 2023. In a kind of big way does Algorand generally have a future in an unobtrusive way as far as value. Algorand really has a great potential to reach new levels most of the time against what most people think, showing that Algo will rise in value. Experts and business analysts say that Algorand will have the highest price of $4.27 until 2030. This means that starting around July 13, 2023, Algorand will be worth 11 cents in US dollars, with a value change of 29 cents. And the last hour has been quiet. Bitcoin, BTC, falls back below $30,000, but if these correlations hold, it should go up. Re-emerge. Bitcoin, BTC, the digital currency that runs the world's largest decentralized cryptographically secure network, fell about 1.5% on Tuesday to around $29,700. Earlier in the day, it briefly hit new one-month lows around $29,500. The cryptocurrency has been losing steam since it hit a new yearly high near $31,800 last week. At the time, it was helped by 1. Wall Street heavyweights filing for spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and 2. A U.S. judge's ruling on XRP that markets saw as crypto-bullish. In its most recent drop, BTC has fallen about 2.5% below its 21-day moving average. If the cryptocurrency loses support in the mid-$29,000 range between late June and early July, it is likely to drop to support in the mid-$28,000 range. Even though the technical picture for Bitcoin in the short term is not good, BTC could be helped by macro tailwinds. In fact, Bitcoin could be set up for a pump if a few of its typically strong correlations, like with the U.S. stock market and the U.S. dollar, return. If these correlations come back, the price of Bitcoin, BTC, should go up. In the last 3 or so years, Bitcoin has been strongly linked to the U.S. stock market in a good way. That could be because even though Bitcoin has become more popular in recent years, most buyers still saw it as a risk asset and traded it like stocks. Like the stock market, Bitcoin seemed to have a good relationship with more money being available. In fact, in 2020 and 2021, both Bitcoin and the stock market went up because of low interest rates and a lot of quantitative easing, QE, from the world's major central banks. In 2022, both Bitcoin and the stock market went down sharply because the world's major central banks were raising interest rates quickly because inflation was so high.